Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we're checking out Redmi SonicBass wireless earphones. So let's quickly get started. So Redmi's just launched their SonicBass wireless earphones. They come in at a price or MRP of $1599, but they will be sold for around the rupees 1300 price tag. We'll leave the final price and the link to buying it in the description below. So packaging for the Redmi SonicBass wireless earphones is pretty simplistic. You just get the earphones inside the box along with additional ear tips and some documentation. Now we have the earphones here in the black color, but they will also be available in several other colors. The build quality of the earphones is pretty nice. It's got a plastic neckband that connects to the battery and the electronics, and it does have a power button and volume buttons on the inside along with microphones on either side. There is also a charging port that will accept a micro USB cable to charge up the device. Now at a full charge, the earphones last for about 12 hours of usage, and they're also IPX4 rated, which means that you can use them for workouts as well as out in the rain if you so need to. Another feature of the earphones is the fact that the earbuds themselves are magnetic. Now the earphones themselves fit in the ear quite nicely, and the additional ear tips provide for a more custom fit. The overall volume levels of the earphones are also good, and the sound quality is pretty good as well. The bass levels could be higher, as a lot of people like a lot of bass, but this is just the right amount of bass, not too much and not too less. These earphones are also great for voice calls, so if you are planning on using them for phone calls, the mic pickup is really nice. It's much closer to your mouth than a typical earphone, and the voice pickup is great for voice calls, and the long battery helps in the current work from home situation as well. That being said, the overall plastic construction of the earphones makes them feel a little cheap, but you can't expect a lot more for the price that they are being launched at. One good thing about the earphones is that at this price they do include Bluetooth 5.0, and they do work with Android as well as iOS seamlessly, and they don't have a lot of latency. So especially if you're listening to music, or more importantly watching videos, you will see that there is no lag in the voice when you're watching content using these earphones. Now like I said, if you guys are interested in these earphones, we leave links in the description below. Go check out some of our other videos that we uploaded recently on the channel. If you haven't already, hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a video. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.